Hi everyone, today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to delete your YouTube account. Okay, let's start. Okay, if you want to delete your YouTube account, simply guys go to your browser and go to your channel, YouTube channel, as you can see here. Start your channel. Okay, I want to delete this channel. Okay, on the top right corner go to YouTube Studio, as you can see here. Okay, then guys in the left pane here go to settings. Okay, also on the left look at channel, then click advanced settings. As you can see here, scroll down, delete or hide channel, click this link. Okay, enter your password, your channel password. Okay, next. Okay, here we have two choices. I want to hide my channel or I want to permanently delete my content. So I will select the second one because I want to permanently delete my account. Okay, check the box here, then click delete my content. Okay, confirm again. Confirm by typing in your email address. Okay, paste here, delete my account. Okay, that's it, your content is being deleted. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe or share.